can't get it up. Wait 2 seconds. I'm waiting for the stream to come through. Waiting for it to come through. Yeah. No. There we are. Okay, let me check it. 2 seconds. Is everybody there? Not yet. Okay. You can flip the page.
Oh yeah, this is where the money's at.
Yeah. Okay, we better start messing. You can flick the rest of the pages there, love. Just keep going.
Keep going.
Just to get some... Hello, everybody. Andy has some page flicking going on. Okay. Keep going, look. Keep flicking.
Oh.
Keep going. Countdown.
This is terrible.
Yay! No, there's nothing there on the page. Hello, everybody. How's it going, everybody? Deep and Andy here, and we're delighted to be streaming here for you in the shed. Hello, welcome to our shed. We are doing this as part of Ireland Performs. And we are here for With Culture Ireland and delighted to be getting to play some songs and have a chat and generally just say hello to everybody. So hello, everybody. My name's Aoife Scott. This is Andy Meaney.
Hello.
And we are here in Kildare in Ireland, and this is our shed. So we're delighted that it's not that cold, that I can not have to wear a coat, which is amazing. We had the heater going inside the shed a few seconds ago, but it's nice and cozy, and we're just excited to sing some songs. It's all going to be originals today, as far as I know, because we're trying to stick on the L copyright, but the next time we do a live stream, we never know, we might do a few covers. So with that in mind, we're going to sing you a song that we wrote, myself and my co-writer Enda Ridey. We wrote this song about where we live here in Kildare, and how beautiful it is and how amazing it is to be surrounded by the trees, that if you're listening very, very eagerly, you might hear them calling outside as we're singing all our songs. So we're going to sing this one for you, and this is called Humbert. So here we go. Swallows flying low, see them follow seasons flow, how they dance as they go through the rusty gate where the fields of barley grow, go from grey to brown to green then gold. The home birds are waiting for me. Night's getting older, the barley grows golder as far as I can see. The secrets of trees, the whisper and breathe, they're watching over, safe under cover, the home birds and me. The home birds and me. My herons lake and think of nothing for the day till the pheasant scares me. The home birds and we built our nests among the trees. It's a place for us to rest and breathe. The home birds are waiting for me. trees whisper and breathe. They're watching over, safe under cover, the home birds and me. The secrets of trees that whisper and breathe. They're watching over, safe under cover, the home birds and me. The home birds and me. The home birds and me. Home birds and me, the home birds and me, the home birds and me. There you go. That's Humbert for you. And I was afraid Andy was going to start catching me laughing at the start of that because he was still laughing about our stupid countdown that we did, and I was afraid that we were going to get the giggles like we did the last time. Hello, Kitty. I hear that Kitty Scott might be watching us. I just saw it there on the thing. Hello, everybody who's tuned in. There's 232 of you. Fair play to you. We are, like I said, we're in the shed. We decided we would build some space in case it rained today. And yeah, so we're lucky that we have a shed that has ivy growing out of the walls, as you can see. And it's cold though on certain days, so we're not sure if we can do it all the time here. But you never know. If we have the heating going, we could get it going. So we're doing this as part of hashtag Ireland Performs, which is a part of Culture Ireland, and we're delighted to be invited as part of Culture Ireland to do this because today would have been our last day on tour in America, which is crazy. So we've been home for the last month and a half. Was it Paddy's Day? Paddy's Day, the day that we got home from it all when we ran. We got the very fast, quick flight out of America, and we left all our tour behind. And today was our last day. We were meant to be flying out of San Francisco after hanging out with my lovely uncles in the West Coast. And yeah, so it's been a bit of a fallout for us, and it's a bit of a fallout for every, I suppose, artist and all the gigs that they've had. But I guess we're getting on it with it like everybody else. So it's a weird time, and I hope you are all doing okay. I think it's can be up and down for certain people, and I know myself. Some days I'm okay, and other days it's scary. So, but seeing as Kitty is watching, who is the queen of the Scots and all of us, I said we will do this song, and so that last song was kind of requested by last night by Carly and Scott, and this song is requested by Danielle, and Kitty Scott is our niece along with Winnie Scott, and. Andy wrote this song the day that she was... hang on a second. He wants to keep doing the Oscar music. Thanks, though. I don't know. I just get real distracted. I'm like, oh no, I don't know what I'm saying. He just wants to go. So, yeah, Kitty was born 2.5 years ago in July. Nearly 3 she is. So Andy was sitting at home the day that she was born. And the day that she was born. And... I guess it was a big deal for us because of the first grandchild. And we were really, really, really waiting for her and hoping for her so much. And I'll never forget going into the hospital to see my brother. And we went in, and I've never seen a more whiter face in all my life. He was just so white. So he had his first grandchild, and Andy sat at home and wrote the chorus of this song. And then we wrote the rest of it last year when we were recording our album, which just came out in January. And we were just about to start touring with it completely, and just really being, being on the road with this new album. So it's all stopped now, but we'll sing it, and it's a song all about our beautiful niece Kitty, and we're going to have to write one for Winnie too. So I hope you like it. It's called Another Reason. All the things you do give meaning to your name. Every day a chance to change. Don't another reason for the sun to shine. You're another reason for the sun to shine. There's a certain kind of day that world has made for you. Clear skies, shining midday moon. Treasure the curiosity with the spinning of this earth full of things you love to see. You're another reason for the sun to shine. You're another reason for the sun to shine. It's a certain kind of day the world has made for you. Clear skies, shining midday moon. Treasure that curiosity with the spinning of this earth full of things you'd love to see. You're another reason for the sun to shine. 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 Thanks a million, everybody. So that was another reason, and that's on the new album Humbert. For anybody who wants to get a copy of the album, I'm posting them out from our house here in Kildare, and might sign them for you as well if you're lucky. So if anybody wants to go, it's on the aoifescott.com/store website for anybody who hasn't got that. We're delighted to be here, part of Culture Ireland and hashtag Ireland Perform, and we're just delighted to be able to do this. It's kind of been a funny old time when you don't get to gig, and just the unknown ahead of us where we don't know what's going to happen. But this is keeping us going, and yous all tuning in is keeping us going, and the connection to yous is amazing. So we might say hello to a few people. I see Marianne Teague McKeefer, hello. I see Niamh. How's it going, Niamh from Ballybottle? How are you? Hi, Mark Van Setten. How's it going? Thanks, Mark. Mike Hanrahan, hello. How's it going? Rich Hancock, hello. Brian Harrigan, how are you? There's loads of people going up and down, and I don't know what to do, but I just keep calling out your name. So we might do another song in a minute. Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you, actually, another thing that I want is to do is if you can share this feed with other people, that'd be great, because that means more people will see it and more people will see Irish people performing, because Culture Ireland are doing this like 3 times a day all of this week, and it's going on for the rest of the month, where an Irish artist or Irish performer will be performing live from their page and from all their other pages. So you'll get to see so many different people. If you go to their Facebook page or their website, you'll see it all as events and all the different people that are performing live. So it's pretty exciting to be part of it on their second day. So we're going to do an L song that was requested by Adam Freeney, and I'll sing this for Adam because he's a friend that we met in Muskegon. and he is an amazing fella. He's a great heart, really lovely fella, and he is one of the frontline workers who's out there in Michigan. I think, I'm not sure what hospital he's working in, but he's a nurse and he's working really hard. And I guess I think about all those people who were working on the front line at the moment, who are just putting their lives on the line for all of us to just get better. So I'll sing for Adam and everybody who's out there working those hard jobs and not at home safe with us. But I hope you like it anyway. This is called Gypsy Warrior. From the west of Ireland, she was born and raised through the limestone rock, like a phoenix through the flames. She emerged a fighter, using only love. She emerged a fighter, using love. Followed love over oceans, with all her brood in tow, to find a better life, like nomads long ago. But love betrayed her heart, and now she's on her own. This gypsy warrior fights alone. She's in the dark now, but tomorrow there'll be light. She's feeling heavy now, tomorrow she will fight. She stands tall, this gypsy warrior, through it all. This gypsy warrior, using love as a shield. You know that she will succeed. Gypsy warrior. When she told me of her past, I was not surprised to hear that she had wounds within her eyes. For only someone with such tragedy could ever love as much as she. Fighting all those little wars, putting out the flames. She rules with love, bringing joy to people's dreams. Her light shines brighter with each and every day. She's working hard to be okay. She's in the dark now, but tomorrow there'll be light. She's feeling heavy now, tomorrow she will fight. She stands tall, gypsy warrior, through it all. This gypsy warrior, using love as a shield. I know that she will succeed. She stands tall, this gypsy warrior, through it all. This gypsy warrior, using love as a shield. That she will succeed. This gypsy warrior. We didn't do a sound check with the power on, and we don't know if that sounded terrible, so sorry about that for everybody. I also hit the microphone just as I was getting excited, but I wanted to play my new bar on. Andy let me do it because I have a new bar on, and you get sad when you don't get to show it off. It's beautiful, made by Metal, so I'm obsessed with it, from Texas, and I love it so much. It's made for me. So how are you all doing anyway? Are you all doing good? That was a song called Gypsy Warrior, written for a friend of mine, and this is that's for anybody who's out there who needs a bit of strength and power and all that. I saw Nancy Allen is tuned in. How's it going? And is there anybody else that I should say hello to? Oh yes, I might do now birthdays. because there's a couple of people who are, it's their birthday today. So, I know John Hopkirk just commented there. I just saw him fly up. So it's John Hopkirk's birthday today in San Francisco, ladies and gentlemen. And he's up early, even though it's his birthday. And it's also Sean O'Donoghue from Cork, who came all the way up from Cork to Dublin last year when he we had our album launch. No, not last year. Jeez, it seems like January was last year now at this stage, but it's not. And Sean O'Donoghue from Cork came all the way. And then Margaret O'Dea, her wife, Seamus, and his wife, Margaret O'Dea, Seamus' wife from Cork. It's her birthday too as well. So we wish them a happy birthday and we hope you're having a great day. So, what are we going to do, love?
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah, we're going to sing them happy birthday. Is that right?
Perfect song for this.
Perfect song. Well done, Andy. So we'll sing Margaret, John and Sean happy birthday. So hope you like it. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Margaret, John and Sean. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Lots of love. Thanks a million for the support over the last while. We're very lucky to have you all tuned in on a Tuesday afternoon when it's it's a beautiful day, and we're so lucky to have the beautiful weather to keep us all sane in this mad time. So we hope you are doing all right. I know it can be a scary time for some people and worrying time, and for me, I think for me to try and keep my brain in the zone of all of this is to not worry too much about the future and to keep it every day if I can, even though it's a bit like Groundhog Day at this stage. But myself and Andy are just about getting through. He's surviving because I'm a lunatic. So he's a very patient man, and I'm lucky to have him. He keeps me going. But I guess I've started to run. That's really good. I started to exercise and get my legs going. So so we'll sing you a song that was requested by Carly and Celine. And it was written by myself and Enda about our favourite place. Well, my favourite place to go as a child. My dad used to put myself and my brother on his bike and bring us down to a place in Dublin, which was about 2 kilometres or 3 kilometres away. But for us it seemed like hours and hours and hours on the bike. And I remember being very small and sitting on the crossbar of my dad's bike with no helmet, no protection. My brother was hanging off the back carrier. And the only protection was the bit of pipe and insulation on the crossbar so that my bum wouldn't get sore and I wouldn't be complaining to my dad the whole time. So we'd cycle all the way down the canal, all the way down to Sandymount and out past Sandymount and then past like where the Dublin port is and where all the big containers come in. And then after that we would go past the sewage works and you'd be holding your nose trying because it's so bad. And then after that you'd come to the most beautiful place in Dublin, I think. And it's just 360 views of the sea, and there's a wall which goes right into the middle of the sea, and there's a lighthouse down the end of it. And it really is one of the most spectacular places to go for anybody who wants to feel like the world is getting on top of them, that you'll just realise that you're very lucky to be alive when you're down there because just the wind will just blow all your worries away. So this is one of the first songs I ever wrote, and it's written with Enda. So hope you like it. It's called Down by the Shellybanks. Oh, grain lifter lifted stones from the water, built these walls long ago. I, when walking, dropped a penny in the south wall, keeps us safe from the storm. The sea is green with envy of the cow in the harbour as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by the Shelly banks scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse loves down by the shelly banks. Green and red they guide my way. So take me there. Herons are whooping over, come down to greet me. Won't let me trip and fall. I own the coastline from Holt up to Brayhead as the lovely Liffey flows. Sea is green with envy of the camp in the harbour as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks. Scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse loves down by the shelly banks. Green and red they guide my way. So take me there when my troubles drag me down, and I don't know why. I will bring my bag of worry, throw them to the tide. The sea is green with envy of the camp in the harbour as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks. Scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse loves down by the shelly banks. Green and red they guide my way, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks. Scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse loves down by the shelly banks. Green and red they guide my way. So take me there today. Yeah. Yes, that's a hard song to sing, but we managed it there. One of the first songs I ever wrote, and it's so difficult to sing, it's ridiculous. But it was good. I'm glad. I really enjoy it as well. It's really, really nice. So let's say hello to a few people. Hello, everybody. Hi, Sue Ellen. How's it going? Hi, Carly. Hi, Bill Marshall. How's it going? Hi, John Carter. How's it going? What's the crack? Anne McCarthy. How's it going from Middleton, County Cork? Who else is there? Hi, Eiley Patterson. How's it going? How's it going? There's the Johnsons. How are you? Martina and Clary. How are you? How's it going? Saw a few people mentioning my fringe earlier on. Thanks very much. I'm not sure how I managed. Oh, that seems really weird. Let's go back. Yeah, that was. Look, it's doing this weird thing here. Wow. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I did mention. I don't know what's going on with my fringe at the moment and the screen, but we're doing okay. We're getting there, lads. We're getting there. We're getting through all of this mad time together, which is lovely. I think it's amazing to be able to sing and talk to you live, because I'm very I'm sure we're all lonely, aren't we? We're missing our family, we're missing our friends. Last time we saw people, we were in Nashville, just about Paddy's weekend. We were going to play there at Brenda Willis's festival, and we were with Ron and Sandra and in Nashville, and then we came home, and that was really the last time we saw anybody.
Saw the postman though.
We saw the postman out the window today. He's great crack. We love him. He's the best postman in the world. He's real brave. He doesn't care. He has his gloves on him and he just keeps going. So, hello, Anna Brune. How are you? Amy Nix. How's it going, Amy Nix? What's the crack? Irish MC The Hague. Hello, Hague. How's it going? We miss you. Any chance you want us to get us back this year? Probably not. We're not going back anywhere. Liz Hancock. How are you, Ray? So, yeah, there's my ma. We miss this. We miss everybody. We miss seeing. We miss hugs. It's a weird time. So, we'll sing a song that a couple of years ago when I went through a very low period, and I kind of got stuck in a situation where I couldn't write any songs, which is kind of the way I am now at the moment. I'm kind of stuck as well. I'm not really feeling it. I'm feeling confused and weirded out by all this stuff, but I guess it'll come soon enough. But this was a song that I was kind of trying to figure out how to write a song, and Ron Block, who produced the album Humbert, he sent me this book, and it was called The War of Art, and I read it, and next morning I sat down and I wrote this song, and it's really all about accepting who you are, that sometimes your brain can tell you the wrong things, you know, it can tell you lies, and it's just the negative voices in your head telling you the wrong things, that you can't really, you have to not listen to them if you can, and just to accept that you'll be okay in the end, and that it'll all be all right. So, accepting that everything is a bit tangled and a little bit twisted and a bit difficult, but it's going to be okay. So that's what I keep thinking. So, yeah, myself and Andy wrote this song, and it's on the new album. I hope you like it. It's called Tangled. I've always been so awkwardly honest. It's been something I've had all my life. Now I've had to make myself a promise not to live so close to the edge of the night. I'm tangled and I'm twisted, all in knots and in ties. I've talked myself into some complicated lies. Life can sometimes be a competitive contest, and the world makes it hard just to strive. I search for the place where my faith is the strongest, then I turn my face to the light. I'm tangled and I'm twisted, all in knots and in ties. Talk myself into some complicated lies. Now I know some days that feel like the lowest, that is not the end of this run. I tried so hard to stay in the moment, though it's harder when all's said and done. I'm tangled and I'm twisted, all in knots and in ties. Talked myself into some complicated lies. Sorry, I forgot you were watching. We got a bit emotional there. So, yes, we're doing this live stream. Hello, everybody, and this is part of hashtag Ireland Performs for Culture Ireland, and we're delighted that you're all here with us on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon. It's absolutely stunning outside. It's a bit cold in the shed, I have to say, but we're lucky that we have a little bit of shelter, and because I think the sun would be weird now. We'd be struggling a little bit. So, I'll say hello to a few people. Hello, Laura. How's it going? George McQuilkin. Hi, Irene. How's it going? There's Michigan Irish Music Festival. How are you, lads? Gillian South. I could listen to Andy play guitar all day long. Yeah.
Thank you.
I listen to Andy play guitar all day long. It's very good. It is very good. He's very good. And he's getting better. I have to say that. He's brilliant. He's practicing all the time. He's a good boy. So, Jackie. Hello, Jackie Wade. How's it going? How are you? Hello to Dean. How are you? Zach Welch. Hi, Zach. How's it going? I was meant to do some Enda songs for you. Hey, Eric. How are you? Hello from Columbus, Ohio. Hello, Fareed. How's it going? Hi, Trassa. So, we don't want to keep you too long because, you know, I don't want you to be getting bored. So we'll do this song and then we might do another song, and then, we'll see how we get on. Yeah, is that all right? So, we'll do this song, and it's a song that Andy wrote about because we go to America a lot. Hello, everybody in America. And we were meant to be here right in America at this day. We were coming home from America today. We spent 6 weeks in America, but that didn't happen. And we are meant to be in America in July and August. So, I don't know. We'll see, hopefully. And Andy, because we travel all the time, Andy wrote this song for all the Irish Americans, all the Irish people that have travelled to America and all the jobs that they've had to do over the past hundreds of years even, you know. I suppose 50 years.
Donny Carroll.
Hey, Downey, we'll sing this for you. Mark wants a Gaelic song. Oh, Mark, it's not on the set list today, but we'll see. I don't know. So, yes, this song. Yeah, Chris Clinton is right. It is a Savannah song. It is. We'll sing it for Downey, though, because Downey's the best New Yorker, Cork man in New York ever. And it is a song all about the Irish people that went overseas and had all the jobs. So it goes, I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. So if you want to sing along with us, we'd love to sing it with us. And yeah, thanks a million. Here we go. Take it away, Andy. Oh, sorry. It's on there. We missed call. There's something in my nature that moves my very bones, that makes me seek adventure far from my native home. I've come across the water, travelled many miles, saved money for some paper that lets me stay a while. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. Those came before me, built towers to the sky, but never judge a copper built in those different times. I know about hard labour, I've worked hard all my life, but when I'm over stateside, I am who I decide. I've pushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've pushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. Fancy, I've changed up all my style. The only way you'd know me is I have my father's smile. I know about hard labour, I've worked hard all my life, but when I'm over stateside, I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. Let's hear. I've ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. Thanks very much. That was good crack. Please excuse my out of tune bower on, but yeah, it's weirdly cold in here today. So that was Irish Born and Raised. That's on the new album for anybody who wants to buy it. It's on the on our store on aoifescott.com/store. There's also a sneaky little link on this post as well, where it is if anybody wants to buy us a coffee. Whereas I do have tea, where if anybody wants to buy Andy a coffee, because I don't drink coffee, so buy Andy a coffee. I know, but that's there on the link if anybody wants to do it. So we might, no, before we do that, we might do one sneaky one in between, which is,
Yeah.
see this, we do it. So we're going to sneak one more in, and so we, hey Adam, how's it going? We were recording the album, and I guess it's a weird. Thanks everybody. It's a really nice. It's really hard not to look at the comments and be really. People are really nice about things. Love. That's very nice. Thanks very much everybody. They're very nice. So we were putting songs together for the album last year, and I guess a couple of years ago, my Nana Scott passed away. She was one of the most powerful, formidable, amazing women in my life, and she taught me how to be strong. Even though I'm a very emotional person, I tend to be weepy. But she, my Nana Scott, she was a funny one because she couldn't really sing, and all of the other side of the family obviously can sing, but she couldn't sing a note in her head. But she had one song that she used to sing to me when I was about 8 years of age, and it was this one. And when she went to stay in a home she was in Cahercalla hospice in Clare, she was kind of a little bit doting a little bit, and we would sing her to her all the time, and we'd sing this song to her. So it's all about going to Dublin on a sunny afternoon on a Sunday. So if you are missing Dublin, we're missing Dublin because we haven't seen it in a good couple of months now. We live out in the countryside, which is beautiful for us to be, but we are missing Dublin a little bit. So for anybody who's missing their trip to Dublin, or missing Dublin, or just missing anywhere that they can't go because we're all at home, hopefully you'll like this song. This is a song called The Dublin Saunter. Here we go. Dublin can be heaven, with coffee at 11 and a stroll through Stephen's Green. There's no need to worry, there's no need to hurry. You're the king and the ladies are queen. Grafton Street's a wonderland, there's magic in the air. There's diamonds in the ladies' eyes and gold dust in her hair. And if you don't believe me, come and meet me there in Dublin on a sunny summer's morning. I've been north and I've been south and I've been east and west. I've been like a rolling stone. But there's one place that I know I'll always love the best. Just a little town to call my own. 'Cause Dublin can be heaven, with coffee at 11 and a stroll through Stephen's Green. There's no need to worry, there's no need to hurry. You're the king and the ladies are queen. Grafton Street's a wonderland, there's magic in the air. There's diamonds in the lady's eyes and gold dust in her hair. And if you don't believe me, come and meet me there in Dublin on a sunny summer's morning. I've been here and I've been there, I've sought the rainbow's end, but no rock of gold I've found. But I know that come what may, whatever fate may bring, here my feet are deeply in the ground. 'Cause Dublin can be held with coffee at 11 and a stroll through Stephen's Green. There's no need to worry, there's no need to hurry, you're the king and the ladies a queen. Go rafting streets of Wonderland, there's magic in the air, there's diamonds in the ladies' eyes and gold dust in her hair. And if you don't believe me, come and meet me there in Dublin on a sunny summer's morning. In Dublin on a sunny Sunday morning. Thanks very much, everybody. Whew. It's funny when you stop gigging how your vocal cords aren't as strong as they should be. So that has taught me now that I need to be a little bit better. So, I'm sorry about that, Trish. Trish says, my dad sang this, he passed away in January. Yeah, a lot of people that I feel like know it from their grannies or their granddads or their mums or their dads, and that's what I think is lovely. So, right, we might leave it. What do you think about that? Is that okay? I know, I'm sorry, it was a bit of a sad song. Some Lily Burke says, I miss Dublin more now. And I wasn't going to sing it because I didn't want to start crying in the middle of it. So, hi Eileen, how's it going? How are you? So happy we found you here this afternoon, getting from Will and Claudia from Jeremy. Hello, Claudia, how's it going? Beautiful tribute to your grandmother. Thanks very much. Thanks for the smile. I know, well, I like singing, so thanks for listening to me. So that's why I'm smiling. So, maybe not in summer, but maybe when this is all over. Maybe. You wouldn't know. Fingers crossed. Thanks very much, Bark. He says it's a fantastic concert. Johnny Scott says, I think you have found a new recording studio. Jeez, you'd need to fill in a few holes. There's a big, massive hole over here, which is the light that we are looking at right now. So, yeah, we're going to do one little last one. And if you know it, please sing along. That would be brilliant. It's a song all about the west coast of Ireland. And it's kind of a weird one because I was singing it last night and I was feeling a bit sad singing it because when you're not allowed to go anywhere, it makes you miss all the places that you want to go to. So this is all about a place called the Wild Atlantic Way for anybody who's been there before. The Wild Atlantic Way for anybody who hasn't been there before. It goes from all the way from Donegal. Oh, I thought he was going to do the Cathal Moon. He didn't. All the way from Donegal, all the way down to West Cork. And it's really like our beautiful, gorgeous, amazing part of Ireland. And so is Ireland. There's so much different places that are so beautiful in Ireland, but this is very spectacular. So it's all about a woman who's 60 years away from Ireland, singing this to herself, asking her husband who's passed away before her to come back and bring her all the places that they went to on their honeymoon, which is all along the Wild Atlantic Way. So if you know it, please sing along. Thanks so much for listening. We will leave you with this song. Thanks a million. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. I'm 60 years in Nova Scotia, waiting for the day that we're returning home. All along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? Counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. Remember when we went to Bombay, the shipwreck in the bay. We sat and watched the north and west sunset all along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we climbed Croagh Patrick, we nearly went astray. The legs were aching, falling off us all along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we went skinny dipping down in Derry, smelling Galway salted ocean. All along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we met Willie Clancy piping in Bottle Bay, we sang and danced till the early morning. All along the wild Atlantic way. Alright, let's hear you singing at home now. You ready? When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. I'd watch you catch the fish near Dingle's Kirk's Road away. Wait for you with the half-light glow. All along the wild Atlantic way. Sighting out in the black ball heads in salty frogs parade. The ocean looming out beyond. All along the wild Atlantic way. Alright, here we go. Let's see you sing it. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. And again, just a little bit louder. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. Last time. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. Thanks so much, everybody, for coming in and tuning in. We want to say thanks so much to Kildare Ireland. We want to say thanks so much to First Music Contact Facebook for having us. This is on YouTube as well, and I think Periscope, if all went to plan. So if anybody wants to share all the stuff, we'd really appreciate it. Sharing is caring. So every time you share one of our videos, it helps us get more people to look at our stuff, and all of that helps us in the long run. So thanks so much to everybody. Just make sure you tune in to hashtag Ireland Performs, because it's going to happen all week, continuing on into the next month. And we've had the best time, which is today. I don't want to leave you. It's so mad to see all the comments come up, and I can't even look at them because I'm going to start crying. So thanks again to everybody. Thanks to Colin Gillen and to Brendan for the tech support, and to Andy Meaney for being the most patient man in Ireland and probably the world, because I have been a bit crikey. Sorry, love. Sorry. So we'll see you later, and thanks so much, everybody. Love yous loads. Bye. Love yous. See you later.